Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My today's questions are related to the topic agriculture and the three activities which is also known as sectors. These are very important. Let's start. The word agriculture is derived from Latin words dash or dash meaning soil and culture meaning dash. The word agriculture is actually derived from the Latin word ager or agri, and which is the meaning of soil, and culture meaning cultivation. Name the three sectors of the economic activities. Number 1, primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector, which is also known as primary activities, secondary activities, and third, tertiary activities. In which sector the extraction and the production of natural resources are included? Answer is primary sector. Next question. Agriculture, fishing, mining are the example of which activities? These are related to the natural resources, and so the answer is primary activities. Which activities are concerned with the processing of resources? When the word processing comes, you have to keep it in mind that it is related to the secondary activities. Manufacturing of steel, making of bread, weaving of cloth are example of which activities? These all activities are not possible without the factories or industries, so it is totally related to the secondary activities. Processing is here. Next, which activities provide support to the primary and secondary sectors through services? Which activity? The answer is tertiary activities. Next, transport, trade, banking, insurance, advertisement are example of which activities? The answer is tertiary activities, and it's truly support the both activities, primary activities and secondary activities. What percent of people are engaged in the agricultural activities in the world? Keep it in mind, you have asked world, so the percent is 50% of the people are engaged. State how much India's population is still dependent on agriculture. Answer is 2/3 India's population is still dependent on the agriculture. The land on which the crops are grown is known as what? Answer is arable land. State two factors which are vital for agricultural activities, which are essential for the agricultural activities, and the answer is favorable topography of soil, and another one is climate. Name the activity in which commercial rearing of silkworm is done. Answer is sericulture. As you know, culture means cultivation. Name the activity in which breeding of fish is done by constructing tanks and ponds. So it is known as pisciculture. Answer is pisciculture. Name the activity in which cultivation of grapes is done. And the answer is viticulture. Name the activity in which growing of vegetables, flowers, fruits for the commercial use is done, and the answer is horticulture. So hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.